Okay, this is an emergency about the new update that Instagram just announced. This is something that's going to be a complete game changer for your profile, especially if you are a creator or a business owner. In my previous videos, I talk a lot about using your profile as your business card. If this is something that will help you, please share it with one of your team members, with your business bestie, or even fellow creators. This is going to be very helpful. It's officially here. We can pin our posts to our profile. So I'm gonna actually show you. I don't have it on my main accounts, but I went ahead and grabbed one of my smaller accounts so you can see it. So the simplest way to do it is you press on the post that you want to pin, and you can just press pin to profile. That's actually super simple. I know I wanted it to be a longer tutorial. Another way to do it is you go to the post that you want to pin, then you go up to those three small little dots, and then you put pin post there. And obviously you can remove it if you need to, but this is going to be an amazing new feature you have to take advantage of. When using this feature, make sure that you use it as a business card. I've told you in one of the recent videos, the 3 videos that either talks about what you do, talks about who you are, or what services you provide. Maybe you want to get some brand deals, maybe post your most engaging posts, or your most educational, or your tips, or your tutorials. Whatever that case may be, pick your top 3. Let me know if you have this feature in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.